Okay, let's do another uncut version of, see if I can do this. This is gonna be looks like a roof plan. Okay, doesn't look like a roof plan. Let me see here. What have I got on? This is a structural. Yeah, it looks like the structural's on. That's good. Okay, and these are the places where the roof drains are gonna go. Okay, so let's start off with so we're gonna put roof drains on this roof. I think that what I'm gonna need to do is okay, let's do fine. Can we do fine or do medium? Let's do medium. That's fine. Let's look at a section view of this guy. Section, that's good. Okay. So what's going on here? If I got everything on, let's see if I got nothing is on. Man, what's going on here? Yeah, okay. So, okay, that looks good. That's the section view. You know what? I'm gonna change this discipline. Let's change this to a coordinate view. Okay. And just to bring some color into the situation. Yeah, that's good. So that's my beam. That looks like a wall. There's another beam. It looks like. Let's tab. Yeah, is that structural? Yeah, structural frame, man. Okay. And what's this? First level. Do I want that on? Nah, let's turn that off. Okay. And go back. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna move this guy back because I think that is a structural beam. Okay. So let's bring in our floor drain. That happens to be open. And I think that, let's look at my notes here. Let me get my notes. Get my notes. Overflow. I think the overflow is going to be north. Okay. And in order to put the roof drain on, what appears to be some kind of symbol, but I need to place it on a work plane. Okay. So I'll place this one on that work plane. And the second one is going to be just the regular storm drain. The first one was an overflow. The storm drain is going to be next. And again, let's put it on the work plane. Yeah, I think that's going to be, let's look at that section. That's a little bit too much. I'm going to decrease my view. Okay, so let's put that there. Highlight, and anywhere I can click and go to that view. Okay. Okay. Okay, so when you have this kind of situation, I am going to need a reference plane. Yeah, I'm gonna need a reference plane because, yeah. So when I put this on, let's go back. Let's do this one. Looks like, man, what's going on here? Yeah, this is the uncut version. This is what happens when you get into when you go to the office and everything's not all cut and polished like some of these other, I don't know, I haven't seen a lot of them, but I've seen a number of them where it's just nice and pretty, you know, no mistakes are made. But I can't do that. I got to give you the real deal. Got to give you the real deal now. because I know that there's a section here it's not showing up. Okay, it's down here. Yeah, okay, so I got to get back to that. Let's go back. Okay. So when you place, let's do another one. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I can. So the overflow place on work plane. So the level is a work plane, huh? So that level and not the floor. Okay, but I think that I'm gonna need a reference plane here. A reference plane is like it's just another, I guess you can call it another host, That's okay. Then the reference plane is over here. And I'm going to, let's see, I think I can move it here. And I'm going to tab. I'm using the arrow key to go down a little bit. I could make that parallel to it, but I'm not going to do that. That's a little bit too much. I don't know what this line is. Let's just tab. What is that? A generic model. Okay, I'm not going to worry about it. So what I need to do, let's go back to the roof plane. Maybe, I think that I'm going to, how much time have I got on here? Maybe 5. I'm going to say 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Oh, 7 minutes. Oh my God. 7 minutes. Okay. That's okay. My plan was to, I was going to do my roof plane, go down here, connect these two guys up in about, I don't know, maybe about 16 minutes, 17, 15. But it looks like, things just don't work out the way you always plan. So, and this is what happens by the time, you go in the mornings, you go to work in the mornings, you're gonna do some work, right? You're gonna put in these roof drains and everything's gonna be okay. And by noon, by lunchtime, you'll be done, because I gotta do these 2 sets, and then over here, there are 2 more sets. So I figured, okay, so you go into the office and go get these 2 done, because that night you're trying to work it out in your head, right? Trying to work it out in your head. How, okay, I got to do this, got to do that, got to do that. And by 2 o'clock that same day, I'm, go to another. And when you get to the office and you sit down, stuff like this happens. And before you know it, it's 8 minutes and 30 seconds into your day, and you haven't had your donut. Well, you probably got your coffee and your donuts sitting on the side, just sitting on the side. Okay, so that's why this is not edited, and it's not without any kind of it's just real. It's just real. This is what happens when you go to the office. I'm not trying to sell you anything, right? I'm not trying to sell you the program or the software or anything. I'm just giving you what is going to happen when you start working with Revit. Just like in AutoCAD, it's just the same thing. It's just different types of problems. So you got to go through stuff. You're not going to just get through your day without something. I was going to say the F word, but I'm going to say the toast words. Without something toasting up. So anyway, so once I got here, where am I? So let's go to the first floor, because I need to change the plane. I'm on this plane. This is a plane, right? What is that? That's a level. Is there two of them? What the heck? What's going on? What's that? Oh. Okay, why is it? So one of them must be structural. Yep, is that structural? Where do I see? Oh, that must be mine. That's my level. Let's go back. Okay, and annotate L, highlight, right? You can just highlight and type L on your keyboard and that will take you all the way down, okay? So if I turn off my level, then the architect's level goes off. I didn't turn off the architect's level. Go here and let's go to this custom and go down. Turn that back on. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I want that. I think that's what I want. Looks like something's going on down here. There must be structural. Okay, let's deal with this first. Let's get back to the reference plane, and what I'm gonna do is I need to change the reference plane because I want my roof drains on the roof and not just sitting out here in space, right? So I need to go back. I think I need to, let's name these guys. Name is going to be, it can be any name. Let's call it roof reference plane. Let's call it roof, make these all caps. Roof, let's call it, I'll call it roof reference, roof 1 reference plane, okay? So let's make sure that's called out, okay? And let's go back to, I might be able to maybe put a pipe in. Let's put a pipe in, maybe 2 pipes in. That's if I can ever get back to the first floor, a roof plan. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight these 2 guys and edit them. Edit. I can't edit both of them at the same time. Oh, okay. So it's looking at this. So I need to delete this. Is that why it's doing that? That one? Let's do that again. Yeah, see? Man, Revit, oh my God. And you can't get nothing past Revit. I'm telling you. Y'all need, oh my God, man. It will tell you this is not working. Because I think I've done this before. I'm sure I've done it before. And so let's edit, right? We're going to edit this work plane. And it says displays the work plane grid. Displays the work plane grid for the selected element. You can change the work plane that an element is associated with, or you can disassociate an element from a work plane. Okay, so these are our elements, and we just made the work plane. I think it was roof 1 ref, right? So let's edit the work plane. We are going to edit. Specify a new work plane. I can pick a work plane, or I can pick a line and use the work plane it was sketched in, or pick a new host. Okay, so specify a new work plane. So there's a drop down here, and my roof one. Yeah, see, I've used these before, and it's here. This one. Okay, so, and say okay to that. Okay, and let's go back to the section. Yeah, see, we like that. We like that. Okay, before I get too comfortable, I'm gonna see if I can at least get one of my pipes in. I think this is the storm drain, I think. Is that the storm drain? Does it do anything? Overflow. This is the storm drain. Okay. So we go here. Let's come down here and make sure that we have our correct pipe. It's going to be PVC sanitary, and it is a storm drain, or I'm calling it a roof drain. Okay, let's call it that. Yeah, see, that's a structural member. Okay, but I'm gonna do that the next time. Let's see what we got. 16. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. And this is going to be the overflow. You know how I know that? Because the first one was just the storm drain. Okay, that was a joke. Okay, and so I'm gonna change this to sanitary and overflowing with desire. Okay, now, okay, so we got that. So I'm gonna stop here and maybe call this, I'll figure something out. Okay, all right, so I hope that helped, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.